Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. The objective of a seasoned SEO professional is to create a robust groundwork for an aesthetically pleasing website, ensuring a streamlined and efficient user experience that can be readily unearthed through search mechanisms. This achievement owes itself to the brand's trustworthiness and credibility of its digital assets. Numerous factors contribute to the establishment of authority within search engines, notably exemplified by Google. Authority is acquired over time as a result of the following aspects: natural links, positive user behavior, machine learning signals, optimize on-page elements and content. However, solidifying this authority holds the potential to yield greater benefits for a brand compared to the majority. The challenge lies in the fact that constructing trust and credibility is a gradual process, mirroring real-life interactions. Authority is something that is gradually garnered and constructed over time. Adhering to Google's EAT guidelines is of paramount importance to guarantee favourable outcomes. Cultivating a brand status as an authoritative figure necessitates patience, diligence, and dedication. It hinges on providing a valuable, high-quality product or service that fosters a sense of trust within customers. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.